So yesterday we discussed about thermoplastic and thermosexing plastic. Today, still more we are entering to that one. Why the people started preferring plastic? We are having many metals now, like what is that? Steel, aluminium, copper, brass, etc. We are having many metals to use in our day-to-day life. If you see that when we go to the olden days, the people preferred to eat the food in this particular what is that, metal plates or on plantain, arita kanta. They used to take the food in that particular items. Okay, then when these all things are there, why the people went for the plastic items? What necessity is there? When they started using these all, they felt that these are very costly. These are very costly and expensive. When they come to the plastic, what happened means it is first thing is it is colorful. First, the plastic. We can see that the plastic buckets or plastic items we are getting in pink, red, blue, different colors. We are attracted to that particular colors. Before ask for your grandparents, you can understand that their buckets or whatever items they are using in the house, steel, copper, brass. With that it used to be. Okay, slowly the generations are changed. They are not ready to carry these heavy buckets. They want it to be light. Okay, and you can see that if you are not keeping them properly, the metal items, if you are not keeping them properly, they will get rusted. What will happen to these metal items? They will get rusted. We know that when we are taking copper changes into bluish, blue to greenish color. Blue to greenish color. If you are taking the silver, it will be converted into black. If you are taking iron, it will be rusted. Means it converts to brown in color. It converts to brown in color. So when these are becoming, when they are getting corroded, when to the atmospheric air, the moisture present in the air, these all metals will react with the moisture present in the air, and some are changing to bluish green, some are changing to black, some are changing to brown. And again, where you can see in front of your house, the gates will be there to the compound wall. If you paint it, they will be good. After few days, what will happen? They will get rusted and it changes to brown in color. Silver items, when we brought, they will look very good. If you keep them outside, they changes into black in color. Copper, daily we have to use citric acid and we have to clean them. So seeing all these things, the people what they thought means, this is very difficult for us to clean all these metal items. So let us go with the plastic there. Now who discovered this plastic? How this plastic has come into the environment? Dr. Leo Henrik Becquerel. Who is the father of this plastic? Dr. Leo Henrik Becquerel. What he did means, you can see that one day he simply mixed carbonic acid, and formaldehyde. What are the two acids he mixed? Formaldehyde and carboxylic acid he mixed together. Okay, and after some time he heated that one and he left like that. What happened? It became cooled and it became into a solid substance. It became into this, when this carboxylic acid mixed with formaldehyde, it became a solid hard substance. It became a solid hard substance. So what he did means, again after some time when it became harder, he thought let us reheat it again. He started reheating that one. how many times at high temperatures also he reheated that one, but the solid substance, in this solid substance there is no change. For his surprise, he don't know what will happen. Just he mixed this carboxylic acid and you know that scientists will do number of experiments, and in that number of experiments some will be succeeded and some will be failed, we can understand. So what he did means, who is that? Leo Henrik Becquerel. What he did means he mixed this two and a solid. He heated that one at high temperatures, but he found that the solid substance was like that. There is no change. Again, what he did means he took a strong needle. Okay, strong needle. He heated that one and he tried to put into this solid substance. Maybe because of that, at least it will have something. Nothing happened to this one. Just there is a little bit of color change. It changed into little pale yellow. There is change in color, but nothing happened to that. Then he understood that. So this particular solid substance, when we are preparing, when we try to heat it, it will not melt. From this experiment itself, he invented bakelite and melamine. What are the things he invented? Bakelite and melamine. These two are thermosetting plastic. These two are thermosetting plastic. Bakelite and melamine. Did you understand? The very, very harder plastic, which we cannot melt it, which we cannot by heating also it will not be recycled. Okay, because Leo Henrik Becquerel invented this one, so it got the name Bakelite and melamine to that particular plastic, thermosetting plastic. Here what happened, you know, when nowadays, as I yesterday itself I gave for you an example. The items which are made with bakelite are kitchenware. For suppose in our house dosa pan was there. It is made with metal. Is it correct or not? If the handle is also made with metal, what will happen when mummy is trying to remove the dosa? If she handles that one, what will happen? Her hand will burn. Is it correct or not? So, what he did, the metal pan is made with, the pan is made with metal, but the handle is made with plastic. Before, it used to be wood. That is only better, no? Wood will not harm us. It is a natural resource which we are getting. In olden days, we used to have a wooden handle and a metal pan. Now, there is lot of change in the generations. They want everything. Now we are not using metal pans also. We are telling non-sticky. If we keep dosa on that one, it should get up like this. So within 1 minute, it should come out. Non-sticky. Oil also we should not pour on that one. We are having our own technique. So now what is happening? That handles, the pressure cooker handles. Before how much rice they want to cook also, they used to do only in the utensils like aluminium vessels or brass vessels. They used to cook the food. But now we don't want that. We want the Prestige pressure cookers or Hawkins pressure cookers. Like that we are going with the pressure cookers. This is what is that? Like Prestige only. We have to show our Prestige. For that, we are using such type of thing. Their handles also made with bakelite. Did you understand? So, which will not harm us, they choose that one. Then, what is this melamine? Very interesting, this also will be. Melamine means, did you see fire accidents will be happening? This fireman, whenever the fire, they will enter into that one. If we go, what will happen? The fire will catch us and we also will burn them. But you see, they will wear a sort of dress. If they enter into the fire also, it will not burn. What is that, you know? That dress which was worn by the fireman was made with plastic. Which type of plastic? Thermosetting plastic. What is that cloth made with? Melamine. fireman dress, fireman dress is made with melamine. Did you understand? Because of that, melamine and bakelite will not catch fire easily. That's why by wearing that particular dress, they can enter into the fire also. If we are wearing this cotton dress or we are wearing woolen fabric or we are wearing synthetic fiber and enter into where fire accident happen to catch the people, to hold, to save the people, we will be affected. Which when we are entering into the fire, what are the things we have to wear? The dress materials which are made with the melamine, we have to wear that. Did you understand what is bakelite and melamine? These are the thermosetting plastics which cannot be recycled. Now I told for you, these cannot be recycled. Are they good for the environment or are they harmful for the environment? Now I am telling that which can be. Plastic is only very worst enemy. The usage of plastic is 100% threat to environment. Nowadays we can see on the roadside the people will be ready with the plastic cups to have a cup of tea. Or when we go to a curry point, that fellow will keep hot sambar, hot dal, whatever in the plastic cover. Or you will go to have a pani puri and cutlet, you will ask him to give a parcel, he will keep in a plastic cover and give. Now, these all plastic cups, plastic covers are made with water, they are made with petrochemicals. Now, they will react to the heat, no? As I told for you, some can be recycled. The plastic covers will be very thin, that when we keep a hot sambar, hot cutlet or whatever it may be in that, heat, because of this heat, that petrochemicals react and that will be in our food. Without notice, we will have a nicely a cup of tea, we will eat this one, and what is happening nowadays, the people are suffering with, we can hear cancer, thyroid, some other skin problems, lung problems. These all are affected because of uses of this plastic. Because of uses of this plastic itself, we are facing these problems. Before, in olden days, the people used to die, means they used to die because of heart attack, because of some other health problems. In olden days, they never thought of cancer. Now you see, from the small kid to the old person, one will tell blood cancer, the other one will tell some other throat cancer, some will tell stomach cancer, some will tell other cancer. These all cancers are because of what? Because of the usage of plastic. And thermosetting plastic, I am trying to reheat also, it is not ready to heat, means see how many in my house only I am having 3 to 4 thermosetting plastic, means my cooker handle is with the thermosetting, my pan handle was with the thermosetting plastic, and some other kadais was thermosetting plastic. Now these all are thermosetting plastic. When I use, I may use for 1 year or 2 years, I'll get bored and I'll throw it out. Now where it will be? Will it be recycled? No. Then when it will it be decomposed in the soil? It won't be decomposed in the soil. What is happening? Then they can't be recycled. We cannot feed them. We are using all the plastic items for the sake of color, for the sake of fun. What is happening? This is threat to environment. A sad news was there for you. One day, we all love cow. And we all love all the animals. But when we see a cow, we pray that. We just, when it is going, we will touch it, we will pray for that one and we will see. But suddenly, a particular cow, daily it is moving on toward this street, all the people will see that cow. So, suddenly what happened means, it died. So, all the people felt very bad. Why, what happened to this cow? Why it dead? It is moving daily, it is, we are giving some food to that one. What happened to this? They thought. So, the veterinary doctor, what he did means, he took this cow. You know that who will see for these animals, NGOs will be there, no? Blue Cross members also will be there, who will save the animals. They saw that this cow was dead and they took it to a veterinary doctor and they asked, see what happened to this cow, why it was dead. Daily it was good, it is moving here and there, what happened to this one. So the doctor told I have to do postmortem. So when we want to do a postmortem to the cow, we have to take the permission of the government, if it is for animals or if it is for human beings. So they informed, the NGOs informed for the government that suddenly the cow was expired. Why it happened, we are not understanding. So let us know. So the government agreed. They signed do postmortem to this cow. So what they did means they took this cow and the doctor, the veterinary doctor did postmortem. 30 to 60 kgs of plastic has come out. Try to understand. 30 to 60 kgs of plastic has come out from the stomach of the cow. So who killed that cow? We only killed the cow. Why? Because in our houses we will see any waste food material was there means mummy will take a plastic cover and the rice, the food, the curries, whatever is there, she will keep in this plastic cover, she will round it and throw on the roadside. Now no one is keeping food for that cow, so it is depending on that food which is in the plastic cover. She don't know. Is the animals having senses? What is the difference between animals and human beings? We have the sense. They are not having. So for the sake of the food, to eat the food, it started eating the covers also. How many covers it ate? 30 to 60 kgs of covers. In that cover, what is present? The food material was present. So when it ate, when it took all these, it cannot. What has happened to its stomach? The plastic did not digest it. Did you understand? If it eats some fruits and vegetables, if it eats some food materials, that will break and into what is that food particles and it will digest in the stomach. Now how the plastic will digest in the stomach? So that 30 to 60 kgs plastic covers did not digest in the stomach. So the covers dead. All the people felt sad for that. Then the report must be given to the government, no? So they gave the report to the government that because the cow took 30 to 60 kgs of plastic, because of that it was dead. So all the people felt the bad. Not only people, the Supreme Court, this thing of the cow went up to Supreme Court, and the judge was very sad to listen this one, and he told totally ban the plastic covers. I hope you also heard for a few days they stopped, they banned the plastic covers and they asked us to use only paper covers or bags, jute bags or cloth bags. Wherever we go to shopping malls or wherever we go to buy vegetables and all, there they told, no, the government has banned it. If we give you plastic cover, they will keep fine for us for 5,000 and 10,000 fine will be given for us. So please get your own bags, they told. Okay. Then for few days the people stop. Again we will tell no, the dog's tail always will be in a round way and so the people again they are like that only. Again the government left over that one, and the people again they started using this plastic. Again they are throwing on the roadside. So, in this way, the plastic is very, very threat to environment. Try to understand that today we are seeing this cow, like this, how many animals are there? And we are also taking the food materials in this, and how we are going to suffer. Still more is there. I have to tell for you about for biodegradable, non-biodegradable materials, and also 4R principle, which is very important, that I will continue tomorrow. Thank you.